Hi there, welcome to my grocery haul video for this week. I just picked up all my groceries from Walmart for the week. This is everything we're having for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I will share with you my meal plan that I have in my meal planning book. And I like to keep my budget under $200. The last few weeks I have been a little bit over budget, but this week I was under budget at $196.13. And I love using my meal planning book because it lets me know what I have in my pantry so I can just meal plan a lot better and make sure we're not wasting any money on food and buying things that we don't need. So I love meal planning so that there's no food waste and so that I can stay on budget. I will put a link to my meal planning book in the description box. It's from Amazon. So check that out if you're looking for a new book like this. Let me share with you all the groceries that I got along with the meal plan. So here are all of the groceries for the week, and I got a lot. I got everything we need, so I will start over on this end. This bubbly sparkling water, it's my husband's favorite. It's the blackberry kind of flavor. There's not a lot of flavor to it, but he packs one of these with his lunches, so we try and keep those stocked up. This is my favorite yogurt. If you've been around the last few weeks, I have been getting this each week. Chobani Zero Sugar. It is milk and cookies, and it is very, very yummy. So I got some ground turkey, some chicken breasts. We do a lot of chicken recipes. I got some ground beef. We're going to be doing smash burgers this week. They were requested. My husband requested smash burgers, and then my kids requested salmon for one of our dinners for the week. I like to ask everyone to pick one dinner so that I am not doing all of the meal planning and making sure that we're having things that everybody wants. So I have broccoli, which we eat a lot of, zucchini, love zucchini. Here's our milks for the week, regular milk for when the kids have like cereal, almond milk for my husband's smoothies, yogurt tubes that my kids like. If they eat well, they get a little yogurt tube dessert. This sugar-free cherry Jell-O, super good. Love this. Love that it's sugar-free. It's just a fun little snack, little treat. I got two of these yogurts. These are my husband's favorite ones. He does a lot of yogurt snacks. He puts blueberries and walnuts, usually in a serving of this Too Good vanilla yogurt. Got some sliced turkey for sandwiches, sliced cheese also for sandwiches. Lots of avocados. We love avocado. Edamame. I love this. It is frozen. You just steam it in the bag. Super easy, and just love edamame. I got these for one of my kids. He loves snacking on these, and they got some sugar on them, these yogurt covered raisins. So they're only for special occasion, but he really likes them. And they're in these little boxes, so there's not like a huge serving, which is great. I got our favorite no sugar added spaghetti sauce. My kids really love spaghetti, so always make sure I have some spaghetti sauce in the pantry. Croutons, we were out. This mild chili seasoning mix. I have been loving chili, been making tons of chili and soups lately. I did a video on a bunch of soup recipes. Check that out when you have a chance. It was from last week. Lots of yummy soups and chilies. Baby carrots, awesome snack that we love. Cantaloupe, tons and tons of apples. We go through a ton of apples. I love them. The whole family loves them. So big, huge bag. I got 14. Hopefully it lasts us all week. So lots of apples. I got Better Than Bouillon. This is the beef broth one. I've been getting this forever, the chicken broth version. And I always just bought beef broth pre-made. So got this Better Than Bouillon, but the beef flavoring this time to make beef broth. I got some corn, and I like these. These are the smaller cans. This is the 8.5 ounce can. And I just like for the corn, I like the smaller can because there's just a lot of corn for the bigger can. I got a small tomato sauce for when I do the chili with the chili seasoning packet. Buns for the smash burgers. Eggs. We go through a lot of eggs. Back here, some beans for the chili. Kidney beans, Great Northern beans. Oatmeal. One of my kids likes the packet oatmeal. My other kid likes the real oatmeal out of the canister, so I always have to have both on hand. Popcorn, we do a lot of popcorn in the evenings after dinner, kind of a snack. Strawberries, bananas, a big box of Nutri-Grain bars, but this is the Walmart brand, Great Value brand. Big, huge box, 32 bars. My kids are having a jogathon at school, so for one of their classes, I'm going to take these as a snack for them after the jogathon. Sandwich thins for my husband's lunches, and sandwich bread for my kids' lunches that I pack for school. So I got this pasta. It is not from Walmart. It's from Amazon, but it's Pete's pasta. It's keto friendly. If you've been around my channel for a while, I do a lot of keto recipes. Not all of them are keto, but I do try and throw in some keto or low carb recipes here and there. And I always love adding as much protein as possible to our diets. So this pasta has 17 grams of protein, 7 carbs per serving. So I am really, really excited to try this. This brand, it sounds amazing. So we do a lot of spaghetti and meatballs. I'm going to be using this week when we do spaghetti. And then also from Amazon, I got these new dish towels, and I have really been liking them. So I wanted to share them real quickly with you. But they are kind of a smaller, they're 12 by 12. And I just really like the color. It came in a ton of colors, but it's this waffly material that I really like. It's really good absorbing. It's really good at absorbing. So this is from Amazon also. But really awesome kitchen little hand towels. And it's a big pack of them. So once they get dirty, just pop them in the wash and you still have a bunch of clean ones left to go. So I love that. So these are all of the groceries and then a few little items that I got from Amazon. But let me show you now the meal plan that I have written down. Hopefully it gives you some ideas of things to make for your family. So I like to write little notes also on here if we have something going on. We're in the middle of soccer right now with my kids, so I kind of put soccer down on our soccer nights so that I know that we need kind of a quick and easy dinner. All of my dinners are pretty quick and easy because I just really like to get food on the table for my family so we can spend more time together. So we're doing salmon, rice, and broccoli. On Monday, spaghetti and meatballs. On Tuesday, we're going to do barbecue chicken and zucchini on Wednesday, some crock pot chili on Thursday, smash burgers, then we'll have tacos on Saturday, and then I have some tortellini and mixed vegetables already in the freezer, so I'm going to do a chicken Alfredo, tortellini, and mixed veggies. So that is the meal plan for the week on everything that we're having and all of the groceries. So I hope you enjoyed this week's grocery haul. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I do my grocery haul every week for you, and then I do all my cooking videos as well. So make sure you subscribe and click that bell button next to subscribe so you get a notification when I post new videos. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time.